No.
What are you doing?
No. I hike. Watch video. I hike.
Okay, but tell me, what do birds eat?
Rocks.
Birds eat rocks? So are you feeding the birds? Yeah, feeding the birds one rock at a time. Oh, more bird food. Feeding the birds. Is that what you're doing? Feeding the birds? Wow. What else do birds eat?
Rocks.
Birds eat more rocks? Do you eat rocks? You do? Should we have rocks for dinner tonight?
No.
Why not? How do birds eat rocks?
We do rocks.
They seem a little bit hard. I think birds might have a hard time eating them.
That's fly.
The birds grab it and then they fly? Oh. Wow.
No.
What's wrong?
What's fly?
Yeah.
No.
Oh no, what? Are you rock climbing up here?
No. We the bee.
You stepped on a bee?
We the bee.
Uh-oh, that's good.
Big one.
Oh.